there and back. 2 steps in place. Girl starts with her right leg. Step, step. 3 runs. It's the only step in cha-cha-cha where we run, which means we pass the feet. Back replace, making a contraction, and 3 runs forward, run, run, run. So in total we have 4 girls, starting with the right foot. Step, step, run, 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 back, step, run, run, run. And for the man, starting with the left foot, 2 steps in place. Step, step, 3 runs back, back with a contraction, and 3 runs forward, run, run, run. So we go away from our partner on the first runs and come back to hold on the second runs. So for man, we have step, step, run, 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 back, step, run, run, run.